Okay, and today I am going to explain data types in C sharp. Okay, so as we have studied in different languages like what your Python, Java, so many data types we have studied in Python, Java, int data type. Okay, int is what? So whole numbers means either the positive or negative numbers. Okay, now then after data which is the float number. Float means what? Float will be used, float type of data used to store, that is what, decimal numbers. Okay, so let us see here, run this code, you come here. So I am getting this much of input, so this is 5. So int is what? Int type of data to store all negative and positive numbers. So we can store this as -5. So this is the int type of data. Okay, so next double is a data type which is used to store decimal numbers. So decimal 5.99, whether it is need to keep D. So let us check back that. Still I am getting, if I am getting the floating point 5.99. So how many characters will be double will be used to store? So now let us see how many digits it is capable to hold. So if I get the total 4099 means this is what? 3 digits, 6 digits, 9 digits, 3 digits, 6 digits, 9 digits, 10, 12 digits. So one more. So how many digits? Now let us see. But it is displaying up to 9977. So how many characters? 3, 6, 9, 10, 12, 14. So double data type will be used to store maximum 14 to 15 digits. Okay, up to 15 digits. So this is a double. So what about that? Char is used to store only single character, one character only. You can mention here one character only, one character only. Okay, so if you give any space, white space here, even though if you give, it will give error. So understand, if you give only single space, still it gives error, because white space will not be allowed. Character will be used to, this character data file will be used to store only one character. So either small or capital. So you can store anything. Suppose 9 is a integer, but whenever you keep in single quotation marks, it will be considered as char. Will be considered as char, and you will get the output of 9. This is the double float data type which is used to store up to 14 digits. So double, we need to write double here. Okay, so next is what? Char. Bool data type is used to store boolean values, true or false. This is boolean type data. So this is the variable. String data type is used to store string type of data, means sequence of characters. This is a text string. So how many type data in C sharp? Integer, double, char, bool, string. So if I want to get output console.writeLine mynum, you need to call all these identify. I told you that many times, all these variables, mynum, my double num, these these are called identifiers. Okay, now you need to write console.write line. If you want to get next line, insertion of next line, write line method you need to use. Okay, all the time we need to call the identifiers, means variables, to get the value stored in these variables. So now, so let us try to discuss data type sizes. So data type size and type of variable values. So here this is data type, and next we need to understand how much of size of a data type. Suppose int, it will capable to store 4 bytes of data. 4 bytes means 1 byte is equal to 8 bits. 8 bits means 4 into 8, 32 bits. So it stores whole numbers from minus negative numbers to positive numbers. This is the total storing capacity. Okay, so how many digits I need to store for int data? 3, 6, 9, 10. If I write more than 10, it will give error. See, so more than 10 will give error, I think. It is giving error because your size is because it stores integer data. Stores 4 into 4 bytes means 4 into 8 bytes. 4 into 8 bytes. 4 into 8 bytes means you can store up to 10 digits. How many digits I have stored? 4, 3, 6, 3, 9, 10. I have used 3 more characters. Now run this code. Now you will be able to get, still it is giving error. So remove one more number. So now let us see what is happening here. So you are getting, so how many characters you are getting? 3, 6, 9. So now one more character if you use, so whether it will give error. So it is giving error. So it stores only up to how many characters? 9 characters. 9 integer, 9 digits. Okay, not characters, 9 digits, either negative or positive. Okay, even though if you do provide only positive values, so up to 9 digits only you can store up to. Then after, if you want to use one more 10 integer number, so it will give error, I think. You understood that? So only it is capable to store up to how many digits? The size is 4 bytes, means 4 into byte means 8, 4 into 8, 32 bits. So it is capable to store this much of here how many characters? 1, how many digits? 3, 6, 9, 10. But only we will be able to store up to 9 digits only, not 10 digits. Okay, 9 digits only. So practically we are seeing here. This is what? 9, 3, 6, 9. You run this one. 9. Okay, 3, 6, 9. Okay, now come down. So next, double size is equal to what? Double. Next, one more integer, that is long. Long will be used to store 8 bytes of data. 8 into 1 byte is equal to 8 bits, so 64 bytes. If you want to store long integer data, that moment you need to declare it as a long. So if you want to store more data, then more digits, now declare this as a long.